Hi everybody, this is JJ Long from JJArtworks and welcome to day 5 of my 30-day painting challenge. As always, my original paintings come in a complimentary gift box. I hope you like it. And I'm really excited about this painting. It is an ocean scene, just giving you a quick heads up. As always, we have a thank you card and a coupon code on our website. And once you remove the plastic, here we go. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with this one. This one is called Ocean Twilight number 2. It comes with hand-painted edges with my signature on the right-hand side panel. And on the back, as always, I have my full signature along with an inventory number. Again, this is day 5 of the 30-day painting challenge. Thank you all so much for your love and support, everyone that has purchased a painting online. If you are interested in the original of Ocean Twilight 2, all you need to do is comment in the comment sections below and just write the word sold, and I will go ahead and send you a payment link where you can pay for that. Thank you so much for those that have purchased a painting. Truly appreciate the love and support, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6. Have a good one. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.